Hey, what's up guys? Today I'll be sharing to you how to download Douyin, which is the Chinese version of TikTok. This version is what they use in mainland China. And as you guys can see, I have it right over here. This is the app. So it does look pretty cool, this app, and it is very different compared to the normal TikTok. So I'll be showing you how to download on Android and Apple. But before I actually go into the steps, if you are downloading Douyin, make sure to not post content and make sure to not comment either, because it is meant for the people who live in China and they don't want foreigners to be on the app. So yeah, so the way you download it on iOS is first go into the App Store, click on your profile, which is on the top right corner. Then once you're here, click on your account name, the first thing, sign in. And once you're here, click on country and region, and then change your country. But if you guys currently have a subscription that is being billed on your iPhone, such as Apple Music or Apple Arcade, or any game that you're having that's being billed through the iPhone, you guys cannot go on the screen. So you make sure you have no subscription, and also make sure you don't have any iCloud money or iTunes money, on the device. Make sure everything's cleared out. Then you go here, click change country region, scroll down a bit, and then click China mainland. Once you're here, agree to the terms and condition, and then it's going to give you this screen. So what you can do is just press none, and then over here in the billing address, just type anything. Just type literally anything in the required section. It does not really matter what you're doing. So yeah, just choose whatever. Phone number to be random also, and then press next. Bruh. So postcode has to be 6 digits. So then press next, and then you are done. Press done. Now this is the Chinese App Store. Click on apps, the fourth option. Scroll down a bit. Top free, and then you would find it. As of now, it's number 7. It's gonna look like this. So once you go ahead and download it, I have already downloaded it over here. So once you are done downloading the app, you guys can go back to your country region in your account and change it back to whatever country you're from. For me, it's the USA, so I would switch it back to United States. Agree. And then once you're here, just press none. So once you're back on your current region, you guys will still have Douyin downloaded onto the phone, and it will work normally, as you guys see. So now I'll be sharing to you how to download it on Android, and then I'll show you how you guys to make an account in Douyin. So I have my Android over here, and downloading Douyin on Android is easier compared to iOS. So the first thing I want to do is go on the internet. I'm using Google Chrome, and go on google.com and search Douyin. Once you search Douyin, scroll down a bit, and then the first link, which is written in Mandarin, douyin.com, click on that link. Once you're here on this link, click on this pop-up over here, and then you would get another pop-up right now asking to download the app. So let it load, because it is getting the download file from the website. Alright, so you would get this pop-up, and then press download, and it's going to download a file. After clicking that message, it will then be downloaded onto your Android. As you guys see, it downloaded, download complete. So then you could go ahead on the app. It is then installed, and then it will work just like how it does on iOS, but the only difference is that it is all in Mandarin instead of English. But I'll share to you how you guys go ahead and change it to English. So that is how you download Douyin on Apple and Android. Now I'll be sharing to you how to make an account for Douyin, and how you could change your language if you're having problems with that. So an account, I already have one, but this is the options you would receive when you make one. So this is how it's gonna look like. on Android and Apple. The only difference is on Apple, you do have an icon to sign in with Apple. You don't get on Android. So to create an account, you guys could use a phone number. Any country will work. I logged in through this with the phone number. If you're not comfortable with that, there are other options such as QQ or Weibo or Apple. Logging with Apple for iOS, but on Android you do also have an option for WeChat. And once you create an account, you could change the language by clicking on the 3 lines on the top right. Click privacy and settings, and then general settings. Then the first option is switch language. You guys can change it from English or Mandarin. So that is basically how you download Douyin on your Apple or Android, how you guys can make an account, and also how you guys can change the language. So this app is pretty good. There are a few differences on this app compared to the normal TikTok. The first one is reposting. So if you found a post you like, this one, if you like this post, just click share, and then you have an option to repost this yellow icon. Once you repost, it will then be in your feed for reposting. That's one difference. Another difference is a nearby tab, which is over here, second one. You guys can see videos that are in your area. And the last difference on Douyin is this icon on the top left. Clicking this will be a live area where you guys can watch live videos 24/7. Swipe down or swipe right to see all of them. And that's basically all of the stuff. There's also a shopping cart for some random reason, so you guys can buy stuff through orders if you like anything. So yeah, that's basically Douyin, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.